Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss 8th Maths Chapter 5 Geometry Exercise 5.4 First Roman letter 5th question. Construct the quadrilateral with the given measurements and also find the area. Okay, AG or I. Our AG measurement is 4.5 cm, GR equal to 3.8 cm, angle A equal to 60 degree, angle G equal to 110 degree and angle R equal to 90 degree. So for constructing, while you construct a quadrilateral, we have to need 5 measurements. Okay, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed irregular shape. Okay, and then now we have to draw a quadrilateral like this. So first we draw one baseline. Name it as AG. The length of AG is 4.5 centimeter. And then we have given one information about A. Angle A equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is our acute angle. So you have to draw a line segment like this. Okay. Here we are having 60 degree. And then now we have one more information given about G. So our G angle is 110 degree. So at G we are having 110 degree. 110 degree is your obtuse angle. So more than 90 degree. So you have to draw a line segment like this. By using the measurements we have to draw a rough diagram. And then again R. R is nothing but angle R is nothing but 90 degree. So now we join these two points. Okay. That's all. So name it as AG. This is our R, this is our I, AG or I, okay. So our GR measurement is 3.8 centimeter. That's all. So AG, again one more information. All the informations are given. So angle A equal to 60 degree, angle G equal to 110 degree, angle R equal to 90 degree. Okay, so all the 5 informations are given. Now we move on to the FAD diagram. So our first step is to draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. That is our baseline. So 4.5 centimeter like this. Okay, name it as AG 4.5 centimeter. And then we have to construct R. First step is to construct R point. So for that we have to construct 110 degree angle at G. So take your protractor, fix your protractor at G, take 110 degree angle. Our 110 is nothing but more than 90. So here. Be careful while you constructing the angle. You just look at whether that angle is an obtuse angle or acute angle. Okay. And then now take 3.8 centimeter measurement by using compass. So take 3.8 centimeter. Okay, 3.8 centimeter. Our GR distance is 3.8 centimeter. Length is 3.8 centimeter. So fix your compass at G. So we draw one arc like this. This arc and this line will intersect here. So name this point as R. Okay. Our GR length is 3.8 centimeter. So now we have constructed point R. Our next step is to construct the point I. Okay. So for that we have given one more information about A, that is angle A equal to 60 degree. So take your protractor, fix your protractor at A. Okay. Where is your 60 degree? Below 90. Okay. Less than 90. Here is your 60 degree angle. And then join these two. So this point is not our point I. Okay. So that is more important. Again we have constructed 90-degree angle at R. Okay. So our next step is to fix your protractor at R like this. This line and this protractor line will coincide each other. We have to keep your protractor at R like this. Take 90 degree, exactly 90 degree, because our R angle is 90 degree. So exactly 90 degree, and then join these two. So this line and this line will intersect here. So this point is known as our I. Understood? Our this angle is 90 degree and then this angle is 60 degree. That's all. In this diagram also we have not given a diagonal. So we just draw a diagonal manually. So what do you mean by diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment joining the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. So that is our diagonal. So this is our diagonal of the quadrilateral. Now we measure the diagonal. Then only we can substitute. So the diagonal length is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. So our last step is to find out the area of the quadrilateral. Our area formula is nothing but half into D into H1 plus H2. So half into, we are not constructing heights yet. Okay. By using this diagonal we have to construct a height, 2 heights. Okay. So first take 2 set squares. So this is our bigger set square and this is our smaller set square. You keep your bigger set square along the diagonal like this. Fix this set square and then we have to move this set square like this. These 2 set squares will coincide each other. We have to draw one height from A. So we move the second set square like this. That's all. So draw a height from A. That's all. So measure this height 4 centimeter, I think so. Approximately 4 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to draw another height by using this diagonal only. So keep your first set square like this and then we have to, so these 2 set squares will coincide, no. So suppose you fix your set square like this, the point R will not come. Okay. So you have to keep your another set square like this only. Then only the point R will come. Okay. Now we move on to the second set square and then we have to draw one more height from R. That's all. So the length of this height is 2.5 centimeter. That's all. So our height 1 is 4 centimeter. Height 2 is 2.5 or 6. Anything we can take. So 2.6 I'll take. So 2.6 centimeter and the diagonal is 5 centimeter. Substitute all the values in this formula. 4 plus 2.6 equal to half into 5 into 2.6 plus 4 is nothing but 2.6. 4.0. Okay. 6. 4 plus 2 6. So 6.6. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now we multiply 5 with 3.3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So 16.5 centimeter square. This is our required area of the quadrilateral. Thank you.